Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll explain for you how to solve equation by adding and subtracting. But before we start the video, make sure to press the subscribe button and the like button, and ring the notification bell. And also don't forget to share if you like the video, and share it to your friends in order to let them understand more. And if you want to comment down below anything, you wanna ask me anything, comment down below your question and I will answer it. Okay, let's start the video. Today as I told you, we'll take equations. Okay, first, how to solve equations. Equations, let me give you an example to explain you on. Okay, x plus 43 equals x minus 43 equals 22. This is the question. How you get x? Okay, first you wanna let the x. Wait, I'll sit like this and I'll give you. You wanna let the x be on beside the equal sign on its own, and the rest of the equation here. Okay, how will we do this? We'll take the negative 43. Here we'll say it's negative, it's not minus. Okay, the negative 43, it will pass by the magical bridge. Okay, and here the magical bridge changed the sign from negative to positive, and from positive to negative. So if this is a positive sign, it will come here and be negative sign. If it is a negative sign, it will be here positive sign. So here it will be plus 43. Like this, we made the x beside the equal sign on its own and the rest of the equation here. So again, what do we do in order to let the variable beside the equal sign on its own and the rest of the equation on the other side? Whatever number is beside the x, we take it and pass it by the magical bridge. Okay, what does magical bridge do? It changes the signs to the opposite. If the sign is negative, it changes it. Here it comes with positive. If the sign is positive, the equation comes here with negative. Okay, so here is the rest of the equation. It will be 22 plus 43. Okay, so x equals 22 plus 43. So how will we do this? We'll do 22 plus 43. Okay, so it will be 65. So the answer will be x equals 65. How do we check the answer? How do we know if this 65 is the right answer? We'll take away the x from the equation and put instead of it 65. We'll do 65 minus 43 equals 22. Isn't this the equation? Here was the x and we took the x off and we added instead of it 65. Okay, we'll do 65 minus 43. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Is this the same as this? Yes, so it's right. If this answer is different from this answer, so you're solving the equation wrong. Okay, this was the solving equations by adding or subtracting. And we'll do the same thing in adding way. Let me just give you an example. Okay. Here, d plus 5 equals 101. So again, what do? We want to let the d beside the equal sign on its own and the rest of the equation here. So how will we do this? We'll take the positive sign and let it pass by the magical bridge here. Magical bridge. Okay? We said the magical bridge, it's called magical because it changed the sign. So here the positive 5 will become negative 5. Okay? So the equation will be like this. D equals 101 minus 5. How do we know the answer of this? We do 101 minus 5 equals, cross out this one, make it 0, put 1 here, cross out this 10, make it 9, put 1 here, 11 minus 5 is 6, 9 minus 0 is 9, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer D equals 96. How do we check the answer again? We take away the D from the equation and we put instead of it 96. What do? We do 96 plus 5 equals 101. Okay, that was the equation. How do we make sure of it? 96 plus 5 equals 100. Let's solve it. 96 plus 5 equals 6 plus 5 is 11. So we put 1 here. Okay, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's 101. This answer is the same as this answer. So we solve it right. Okay? That was so easy. Let's take the equation of multiplying and dividing so quickly. Okay? It's the same thing, but instead of adding and subtracting, we'll take it multiplying and dividing. So let's have some examples. We take x over 6 equals 22. Okay? So how do we solve this? The 6. This is division, okay? So it will go to the other side by the magical bridge by multiplication. From multiplication to division, and from division to multiplication, as we said in adding and subtracting. Okay, so this will take the 6, we'll take it to the other side by multiplying 6, so it will be x, and we said we want the variable to be beside the equal sign on its own, so it will be 22 times 6. Okay, let's get the answer. 22 times 6 is 100. So x equals 132. How do we check our answer? We take away the x and put 132. So we do 132 over 6 equals 22. How do we know this? We do long division. 132 divided 6. 1 divided 6 is 0. 13 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract 1, 0. Bring down the next digit. 12. 12 divided 6 is 2. So this answer is the same as this answer? Yes, so we're solving right. Okay? The last thing, the multiplication. And like this will be done. Okay? multiplication. We'll do 7 C equals 42. Okay? We want the C to be on its own beside the equal sign and the rest of the equation here. So we take this 7 and pass it by the magical bridge. Okay? So this is multiplication. So it will go to the other side by division. So it will be 42 divided 7. C equals 42 divided 7. How do we know C? We do 42 on division 7. We do 42 divided 4 divided 7. We can do it. 42 divided 7 is 6. Okay, so the answer will be C equals 6. Well, how do we know if we're right or wrong? We said we'll check. Then how do we check? We replace the C with 6. We do 7. We said this is multiplication. 7C is multiplication. So it will be 7 times 6 equals 42. And because we're memorizing the times table, we know that 7 times 6 is 42. This answer is like this answer. Okay? So we're done for today. But as usual, we'll have homework. Okay? This time it's gonna be 4 questions homework because I wanna give you a question on each type of equation. Okay? So I'll give you homework. Okay? Number 1. Number 1. 72 equals B plus 23. And by the way, it doesn't matter if the equal sign, if the variable is here or here. If the variable is here, we do the first step, we take it to the other side. In this question, we don't take the 72 because we said we want to make the variable on its own. So we take what's near to the variable. Okay? Number 2. Let's have a subtraction. 56 minus E equals 33. Okay? Number 3. 19 equals T divided 4, and the last question will be 84 n equals 504. Okay, we're done for today. Hope you understood the lesson of today. Make sure to press the subscribe button if you didn't, and the like button too. And if you have any question, comment down below your question and I'll answer it. And if you liked the video and you understood the lesson, please share to your friends in order to let them understand too. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.